Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
The scheme is called the Griha Laxmi Scheme. It is a direct benefit transfer scheme. It is a cash transfer DBT scheme. 5,000 rupees per month to every female head of household as defined by the household as defined by the ration card. You don't have to belong to any particular caste or community. You don't have to belong to a particular economically deprived section of say 2 lakhs per year or say that a BPL category. Everybody gets the scheme.
आज पार्टी म्हणून जेन्ना आमी प्रचाराक वयता त्या टायमार आमी हे प्रत्येक घरान आमचे कार्ड पावोवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो पावयतले ते तांच्यांनी रजिस्टर करून दवरप जेणे करून सरकार येयल्या उपरांत कोणी खंय लायनी लावपाची गरज ना.
TMC promises to the people that such welfare measures through crystallized viewpoint and policy approach will be implemented.
In whatever small manner I can put my efforts into doing something good for secular and left-wing forces of Goa and of this country. I'm always there. I really hope that one day Congress and Trinamool can work together. I'm sure we'll be able to work together very soon because that is our mothership. And I think both the leaders here on the dais are also agreeing that that's our mothership, and let's try and make that happen.